Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
On average, knob and tube wiring ranges from 70 to 130 years old. Even if it has been working for a while, this old wiring doesn't have the capacity needed for modern homes. This means it can overload easily and start a fire. In addition, the wiring is less resistant to damage than normal wiring.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Knob and tube wiring doesn't have a separate grounding conductor, so it's largely an ungrounded system. Some homes may still have grounded receptacles through a separate wire run to a nearby metallic water line, however.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Here's what you can expect to pay your electrician for the rewire entire house cost according to the number of bedrooms that you have in your home. 2-bedroom house rewire cost $1,500 to $5,000. 3-bedroom house rewire cost $3,000 to $10,000. 4-bedroom house rewire cost $10,000 to $12,000.
Make your mark, take our lead.
60 amps. One of the downsides of knob and tube wiring is the limited amperage. Back when knob and tube wiring was popular, people did not use as much electricity as we do today. Knob and tube wiring can handle, at most, around 60 amps, whereas today the service panels of most houses today crank out at least 150 amps.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.